All right, so we got a Maytag front load washer here. Complains that it's not draining, can't open the door. So basically we got we got the old, the rugs with the white backing on it that always clog up the filter. So on this one, there's a bottom access panel here that pops out. We actually already have the 3/4 inch screws pulled out here. So it just drops down, set that to the side. As you can see, you got the filter assembly here. This actually has a filter, the pump assembly. This actually has a filter here. We actually already, just for time purposes, shop vac all the water out. That way we could just show on the video here. We can just pull this out. Little water is going to come out. But as you can see, the white backing from the rugs is just totally clogging up the pump assembly here. So we're going to wash this out. We'll throw this back in. We'll run a test and it should work out just fine.